Okay, good morning. Lloyd is up now.
Central station crew. You may also be asked to put on.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, Lloyd has been watching the required safety video of the ship. And that's before boarding, and when you're inside the ship, you need to report to the safety station and then fulfill the second requirement to know the location in case there's an emergency. So, I don't know. How do I... Can you scan mine?
Yep.
And when you're done, you are free. And welcome to day 2. I've been doing this run every morning and there's no excuse of not doing it here. And mind you, their running tracks are very nice too. Anyway, this is day 2 in Allure of the Seas, and welcome to Coco Cay. Good morning. Breakfast time. Lloyd is awake. The location to go every morning is gonna be Windjammer, and we had a nice breakfast and then beach. Welcome to Coco Cay, and it's raining. They were saying it's not so perfect day today, but you know what? We have a trick under our sleeves. In our Filipino way, we always look for a positive side on every situation. So we use the day to enjoy the island. We roam around, shop, and of course, we enjoy the beach. Perfect day in Coco Cay! Miss Florida.
Miss Arizona.
Miss Arizona again. Miss Arizona. Oh, wala. Miss Iowa. Woo! Mga fans.
Ready? This is the game known as Samson, Delilah, and the Lion. Go!
So yeah, we really had a good time. And next, something to eat. Okay, that was fun. Games. Ablira? Okay. There are actually a lot of restaurants that you can go into the island. Some you have to pay, and we just went to the free one. The roof doesn't really protect you. The rain still goes in, as if it's still raining here. It's still. Oh yeah, sure. Yes, thank you. The bird here sounds like a monkey. Okay, time to go back to our room. Una nami. Ganun ako mauga. Picture? Isa pa dito ay nanay. Ano? Souvenir? And I return to the ship. Okay, well, that's our boat. The boat is on the left side. The Allure. Our boat is huge. Mamo. Look at that. Whew. Today is a white night. Come on, Grandpa. Everybody on the ship was wearing white all day, and tonight is gonna be our formal dinner. It's my first time to attend, and look at those people there with me. They're all fancy looking, right? They're beautiful ladies. Our restaurant is called Silk, and it's supposed to be our dinner place every night, but we forgot yesterday. Okay, dinner. Here we are.
Hindi, tanaw.
Ano ito? Okay. I'm hungry. Sama yung mga gwapa-gwapo dito. Ha? Oh. Pagkalaman. It's a busy area. So noisy. Again. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I wish for everybody the best of everything for the future and for your family. And a peaceful election.
Okay, today's a white formal event, and as you can see, a lot of people are wearing white. And the plan tonight, we're gonna include the plan of having a picture together by a professional photographer. It's really nice to see everybody. Can you just imagine? We started our nursing career. We were still very young. Started little. And now look at our profession. We're all here enjoying and probably getting the fruit of our labor. So we did good, right? So that's gonna be our second night. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next day, day 3. It's gonna be in the sound. Bye.